Okay, team, let's check out how we talk about some of what we do when we do variable assignments. So here I'm saying x gets 3. And remember, this is different than in algebra, where that would mean x is always 3. We get to change it. Even something like x gets y or x equals y, it's assigning x the value that y has. Let's check this out. And here, what we're doing is we're set the value of the variable x. Another way to talk about that is we're writing to x, okay? So here now, when I see what x is, I ask Python, hey, what's x? It tells me 3. If I want to do something like y gets x plus 2, maybe we can know in our head, okay, y is going to become 5. But what's happening here is before we set the value of y, we have to look up and figure out what this is. So we have to look up what x is, figure out that it's 3, and then we have to add it to 2. So in programming, it's often important to be able to understand it at that level. So here we look up, and we can also call this, we read the value of x, and then we write the value of y. Okay, so the right-hand side is stuff we need to look up or read, and the right-hand side is what we need to set or write. You could have something like this too, right? Where x gets x plus 2, and now we read x. That's the first thing that happens. And then we add 2, and then we write x. Okay, so here in that case, we are both reading and writing x. I know that the language here can be a little bit confusing and we didn't introduce it clearly. Sorry about that.